Great things in business are never done by one person. They are done by a team of persons, said by the great legend Steve Jobs. Hello, my respected dignitaries. We are the Kinetomas. I'm Sandhya, the Chief Executive Officer of this team. And here are my partners, Ajay, Jaken, and Shreya. We are here to execute a solution of a problem which we work on. Vision and value proportion. Our company's vision is to provide mission in an affordable price, which is also helpful in plucking up our fruit. This mission is useful for the people who are doing farm work as well as horticulture. We are also having more and more future plans which is useful for farmers and consume their time.
Hello, sis. I am Ajay Sriram, the Chief Technology Officer of Kinetomos. We were working on a problem which was given by our customer. Our customer was now living in city, but he was very much fond of his village nature and breeze, and he was also fond of eating fruits directly from the tree, especially the chicos. He asked us to make a machine which will pluck the chicos without putting any hard work, because during summer days it will very hard to roam around the fields, and we were came with a solution which will pluck the chicos without putting any hard work.
Hello everyone, I am Jagannathan, Chief Finance Officer of this team. Target market and opportunity. Our company is hitting the ideal customers, that is, the customers who really want machines for plucking or other some purposes. We position our company as the company who is making machine at affordable prices. Our company is also accepting investors who really want machine to grow their business, and our company machines are way more useful for the businessmen and farmers.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Ganesh and the Chief Operating Officer of the Kinetomus. I'm going to explain you the revenue or the business model. It it will develop your strategic mindset as you can learn to evaluate not only your direct competitors but also your secondary and tertiary competitors around the global marketplace. Our company is giving machines at the rental basis and also to own it. In rental basis, our company is charging certain amount for certain period of time. For example, we are charging rupees 1500 per day.
Our solution, named Hydroid, which can be used by all types of people. The Hydroid is mainly consists of two parts, which is a movement part and then plucking part. First, the movement part, we provide a wheel and a suspension. We provide 6 into 6 wheels, which can be used in any type of sand or muddy soil. And the suspension is used to go over any type of rocks. And the plucking part, the Hydroid will come near a chiku tree, and the plucking part will go up depending upon the height of the chicos found in the tree. And then if the chicos will hide inside the leaves, the part of a hydra will go inside, and the end of hydra has two blades which will cut the stack of the chicos. The cutted chicos will fall down into a basket. When the basket is filled, we have to change a new basket, and the filled basket is collected by our drones. Our company think that why don't we make a alternative fuel? That's why don't we refine the energy? That is, we are drawing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by large fans and splitting it into carbon and oxygen. We releases oxygen and we obtain carbon. When the obtained carbon is reacted with water, that is H2O, we get Hc, which is a carbon neutral. When the carbon neutral is a pure form of fuel which can be used as fuel for all types of vehicles.
In the traction and validation roadmap, we have gained lots of customers and our financial results have been improved. Our company has reached in the production by making thousands plus hydrides. Our company's milestone is to reach more than 10,000 machines, but not only hydride, but also our upcoming future updates.
Marketing and sales strategy. So far, we had 70 plus more outlets, but our aim is to reach more and more. We are also having e-commerce and we are providing authorized dealer for our customer satisfaction.
Our company's financial growth. At first, we faced many troubles by starting our company because we doesn't have that much of money to produce more hydroids. So we work as a team to overcome this crisis. As a result, we overcome the crisis and present we are charging 250 rupees per hour, which includes the fuel or battery. As Treya said, we are charging 1500 rupees per day, which is a only rent for hydroid, which excludes the fuel or battery, and also giving offers for our regular customers.
Hydroy, farm fresh at your doorstep. Get real farm fresh fruits in few clicks. Guess what? It's drone. Drone are being used in all kinds of ways to tackle the customer. Using drones are very easy. He can collect, receive and deliver goods. We can connect the drones with our phone so that we could find whether the drone travels in the respective direction or it collects the correct money or the customer is safe. Last but not the least, the golden rule for every businessman is that put yourself in your customer's place. We hope that we have took part in our customers' heart, and we also hope that we will get more customers. We are much thankful to the Kinderspark Group, and our team is much obliged to our coach and mentor, Mr. Roshan Mehta, and our guiders, Mr. Sayantan sir, Ms. Stuti ma'am, and Miss Kriya ma'am. Once again, we all thank you all for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Awesome. Great presentation, guys. Over to you, Judy, for the questions.
Can I stop sharing?
Yeah.
screen?
Stop sharing. Yeah.
Can you all show up your face? Is that possible? So that we'll have a, yeah.
So then let's take the picture first, because last time I guess
Yeah.
we missed.
The last time I have taken.
Okay, great.
Arvind
Okay.
is having something in his hand. Ajay is having something. Ajay, can you rotate your screen?
First, let us see you.
Yeah. Ajay, we are not able to see you. Yeah, now
Yes.
it's perfect. Yeah.
Awesome. Great. We'll
Just
take
give
the
me-
That's
group
our
pic first.
Hydroid.
Roshan, you are not visible. Be visible.
Yeah. Just give me a minute. I have just framed everyone in proper.
Okay.
I hope you are able to see me now.
I can't see you yet.
Some issue here. Okay.
No worries. Let's.
No worries.
Yeah. I see you now.
You're visible now.
Okay. Yeah. On the go of 3, 2, 1. Let's smile together. Say cheese. Yeah. Good. Thank you so much. I have captured
Awesome.
one.
Yeah. So over to Judy. Whoever wants to go first.
I can go first. Ram here. Hi.
Sure.
Great presentation. I like the concept. Like I broke down the problem statement into 2 or 3 parts, and I'm very happy to see that you guys have addressed all the 3 parts, all the way from plucking of the fruits to certain issues that you might have where the fruit can be hidden or it could be at a different height, to also the final part, which is the delivery to the customer. So I'm very happy that you covered all aspects of it, and the added bonus of carbon neutral fuel that you thought about to go green and go clean. So fantastic job, great presentation, guys. One question that I had, and more of clarification on my end, is especially with the point where the fruits can be at different locations and can be hidden and so on and so forth. You did mention that the hydroi actually moves upward, and then the claws part is what that snaps the stalk. Now, maybe I missed it, but you didn't say anything about, is there any imaging system or a camera system on your hydroids that will allow somebody to see where exactly the fruit is, or is somebody guiding it? Because I'm assuming it's still remote, right? Everything is remote.
Yes, sir. We have fixed an camera in the plucking parts, the blade.
Okay. So the farmer
That
would be,
we can monitor the.
okay. So the farmer would be looking at it remotely and monitoring it or controlling the motion, correct?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thanks. That's it from my side, at least. That's the only doubt that I had. Like, great work, guys.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you so
Over
much.
to the other jury.
Thank you so much, sir.
At least I will request Ajay to show the prototype he was trying to show us.
Okay. So shall I put on a video soon?
Yeah, put on your video and just show us the prototype.
Okay. It's visible. Soon.
Yes, it is visible.
So this is how it was. We have provided 6 wheels which can be go through any type of soil. If it's rainy season or if the sand is muddy, can drove over it. And if any rocks are come, it can go this. This. So can you able to see this?
Yes, we are able to see. Yeah.
Yes, Judy, you have any questions related to this? How it works or anything?
Ajay, this is Prem here. Is it possible for you to show us a quick demo? Is it a working prototype?
It's a working prototyp.
Can you tell how it works? Like that's what the question is.
Yes.
We can see a syringe over there. What is the
Sir,
purpose of that
it's
Yes.
syringe?
work in
Be
the
fun to
principle
watch
of
it.
hydraulic pressure, sir.
Okay.
So if the chicos will hide inside, this part will go inside. 1 minute.
Sir, a ladder-like structure go inside the tree, sir, and
So
cuts
can
the
you
fruit
see a
cake.
movement?
Oh, fantastic.
Acha, you are controlling through that syringe over there.
Yes.
No,
Okay.
sir. We can fix a motor inside, sir. Yeah,
Ah,
air
Future
type
we will
motor.
fix it as the
Ah.
automation, sir. Fully automation.
Sure.
This is just a model. That's why we are making cheapest, sir.
Absolutely.
Can
Very.
you show us the demo for L1 prototype if there is one available with you guys?
It's not available now. Sir.
Oh,
We are
good. No
having
problem.
only. But sorry, sir.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Ajay. You're saying something.
This is our packing process. We have 2 blades. So you can see the movements.
Now we can see.
We have fixed a camera here. In future, we will fix a camera which will identify if the fruit is ripe or rotten, etc.
Okay, I have a couple of questions. This is Prem. First of all, really impressive presentation, team Kainatomos. In fact, good to see you all in the disguise of CEO, CTO, CFO, and COO. So, I'm super impressed by your prototype. So, I would say that you are just few steps away from the actual product. So, I think you have captured almost everything which the problem statement challenges you.
Yes.
The question I have at my mind is, if the farmer probably the end customer purchases this, so what would be the life expectancy of this your device? So your product would be for it could be for use for some few years. So what would be the life expectancy, and how do you probably specify that life
Yes, sir.
expectancy
We are
for this
giving
product?
a maintenance for this. Every 6 months, if you maintenance is there, sir. If you maintain, it can be its lifetime will be 3 years to 4 years. If we service regularly. Sir.
Okay. And one more last question, like how many degrees of freedom does this prototype have?
Can go up to 80 degrees. Sir. This one, sir.
Okay. So it can reach up to a even more taller
Yes,
trees where the
taller
seeds are hitting.
branches or taller trees.
Okay. Fantastic. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If we have any other questions from Judy, we may have now. Or if we don't have, then we may ask the team to leave and I will share you the feedback sheet.
I'm good. Nothing from my end. I enjoyed the presentation and loved the prototype.
Awesome. So one word, one feedback, any one line feedback or something you want to share?
Yeah, I mean, I can see that, they did not just think about the idea in the air, and, they brought it down into a good piece of work. Um, and they have taken into consideration, various aspects, like, when you asked about the angle, even that they have taken into consideration. So I think this is a really good thing. Maybe they can, I don't understand much about the engineering aspect. I look at generally the cost first. So what would be the cost, and what are the factors? What are the things that we need to factor in when we are going to sell something? So it won't be just manufacturing cost. We have to pay salaries, we have to pay rent, we have to do advertising, marketing, and all that. And after that, how many numbers should we make so that we can bring it at a affordable price? I think that once that is also worked out really well, then it's a good idea and a good product to go to the market. So that's from my end, and I really hope to get some chikus ordered soon from you guys sitting at home.